Okay. Sagutin natin tong tanong, no. Focus on my response, ha. Wag sa video. Tinatamad ako mag-edit, tinatamad ako mag-shoot, pero ito yung sagot to sa tanong. So, okay lang ba mag shirataki rice, no? Pag nag-LCIF. So, ito yung sagot ko doon, no. Okay lang naman. Generally speaking, ang shirataki rice is allowed, no, sa LCIF. As a matter of fact, if I'm not mistaken, karamihan sa mga shirataki rice, if not all, no, ay zero carb. So, technically speaking, pwede naman. Okay? Pwede. Pasok naman siya sa low carb naman siya. Okay? Pwede. But, my hang-up, no, dyan, my hang-ups dyan sa shirataki rice na yan is that people who eat it, who consume it, are basically eating blanks kasi wala naman siyang nutrisyon na naibibigay, no? Hindi naman tayo kumakain para mabusog lang eh. So, the reason why we are eating is because we want to be nourished. Okay? Hindi para mabusog lang, hindi para masiyahan lang, no? The primary reason why we eat, no, is because we want to be nourished. Gusto natin na yung kakainin natin may mga nutrients, no? So on that note, yung shirataki rice is hindi siya nutritious dahil basically you're eating blank or you're eating blanks, no? So, pwede ba siya sa low carb? No? Pwede. Low carb ba siya? Yes, low carb siya. Pwede siya sa low carb? Yes, low carb siya. Pero ang hang-ups ko dyan is basically hindi siya nutritious. You're eating blanks. I would rather mabubusog ako sa meat, egg, seafood as compared sa shirataki rice. Okay?